tumwebaze Vincent Kaboy wa Rwenyanga Parish.
ubwoba n'ikwato cya star kandi buri muntu wena yito ubwo bwahika reve mwe bukarengaho buti icyo kumana ukora n'ikishenyaguka so abana berinde okugira ubwo buri umwe muri bo benamanya ngo ushobora kuyakishomise kandi yoshomire ebigyezo biza kwiza itakafutetemesa ukahika kure mwana no kubikora ningo kasanga wakwatwana n'ubwire uri no kutaha umukizamo.
Honorable John Tamuhira uwishaze ry'Abanyaruguru muri Rubirizi district kandi chairperson w'akakiko k'ebyobwegese mu parliament ya Uganda yashoborera ngo ministry y'ebyobwegese neyo kuhakagisha hari abobona abasinya yakana abaraye batashikire kurunje abo kubogu no mahagwa hamuheru obwe barukuratira ebashomesibwe eshoma yo mutanesya ibesire new curriculum.
That they are going to put a transition period for those people. Those people who will not have made it with the old curriculum, they will be given a chance if they want to recite. And they receive the exams in the old curriculum. That arrangement has been put in place. So if you have a brother and sister studying from somewhere who is not here, we have a chance to repeat and pass.
Kandi tuno kwesima ngo abana tubashomesize ebitsemere kushomesa byona byabukozere ki barushomere nimba sima staff abo muri moko mukozere kuranga abana babasa kubashomesa je nyenda kusima abaziri amashomero nimingi konka okwesiga twamba isukuru mukatwa abana.
Honorable John nagira ngo bwahati ngo muringo gumwe gukongera obuherezo mu kushoma Kichwamba High School government editorine kujaha omuyambi ka seed school on program zayo
konka ngaringuza narebe byiza nareba kuri narebe byiza nakureba ko narebe kimbe cha story. Now I took a decision now so this school go, but before I reached Kampala the first lady had written a letter and made a decision. We are going to construct a city school in Magamba. We are going to take Tramba High School as a government school and we grant aid. So Tramba is now a government school.
yayongera ashaba bashomesa umwishomereri kuba bagumusiriza no kwija kugumana bashashuru wa government.
Eishomero government no were twire konka turukabere commission cyo kubanza ibareka shobora yazo public service na at public service kuzakora neza ko hakora no kuzihe namba kuyangoje mwaba bamwe aishomero ya government kandi no musandeke mwe ningi ibiri wara neza ko public service ekera kora tewe no kuretinga bashomesa. Education Service Commission niza kwiza interview ngabashomesa bona ebereze mirumu okugira ko bagira ki kuba performing echamano abashomesa kina abashaba babe patient bakomeza ko batwira so cyubase kuyambisha mu planning aje baranga babasa bohereza icyo bakwenda
bito beji bine bashabire ko ebembeza okwika ibyezo byabo
no kugira ngo bagume bara discipline baguma bine mcyo njo kuba bire bali bakabana na confidence bakaguma bakoyesega handi twine bo babana betu baza gukoresha.
Gasha kwa Sharif Murungi habwa Sky Television again Shonga.